So guys, just quick update on the new Milwaukee M12 fuel detail sander. It come in nice case like that. This is the actual sander. It came with, it's like a foam pad, and after it's like a space saver, like a pad saver velcro, which comes on this, and it comes with a couple sanding meshes like that. The sander on its own is very actually good, very powerful. It has 4 settings, 4 speeds. And it have the, you can regulate the speed with the trigger. You can lock it in, which is very good. You can actually rotate the pad in what position you want it, which is very good as well. Sometimes you want this square on the front of the sander, so you just turn it around. What about this sander? With the 2 amp battery, very strong, very powerful. I like the light when you're working in the corners, very good. Yeah, it's very nice sander, so we'll see. So far so good. So thank you for tuning in.